Run it back.
Welcome back. Let's start with basic program. Add header files. iostream.h is input-output stream used to get input and display out. Conio.h is read as console input-output. Void main is our main function. Body of main function is written in between curly brackets. Cout is used to display message. Here, I want to tell you that number of lines does not affect output, because the C++ compiler does not read blank spaces. GetChar, read as getCharacter, is a built-in function, used to pause the output console until a key is pressed. Let's execute our code. As you can see, our message is in one line. And read as end line is a manipulator that is used to move the cursor to the next line. Here is our output. As you can see, there is previous output. To remove that, we have to use clear screen. That is a built-in function to remove previous output. Conio.h is used to perform clear screen and getCharacter functions. Let's comment down Conio.h header file. There is an error, as clear screen and getCharacter cannot be accessed without Conio.h header file.